Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Mazda CX-30 front bumper. First, ensure your safety by wearing appropriate protective gear. Next, gather your tools. You will need a 10mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a panel removal tool. Finally, safely raise your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands to provide ample working space underneath. Now, let's move to the undercarriage and wheel wells. Begin by removing the 10 bolts and 4 clips securing the lower protective covers. Next, turn your front wheels inward to gain better access to the wheel arches. Here, you will find 2 clips on each fender flare and 3 clips on each wheel liner that need to be carefully removed. Moving to the top section, open your hood. First, remove the 2 bolts securing the air intake element. Then, unscrew the 6 bolts and remove the 6 clips holding the front bumper's upper panel. After removing that panel, you will find 2 more bolts and 2 clips securing the upper part of the bumper, which also need to be detached. For the final steps, gently pull the bumper corners away from the fenders. They are held by squeeze-fit fasteners. Once released, carefully pull the entire bumper straight forward to detach it from the vehicle. Remember to disconnect any electrical component connectors, such as those for turn signals or radar units, before completely removing the bumper and setting it aside.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.